Hello guys, welcome to Prominent Education. We have started our test series keeping in mind the upcoming SSC examination. This test series would help you in upcoming CPO and CGL examination. This test series is strictly based on the pattern that is asked in CPO and CGL examination. So let's start this test series. This is part 1 video of test series. We will come with a lot of test series. This would help you in your exam. So now let's start this test series. First question is from common error section. You can expect 3 to 4 questions from common error in your examination. So let's start with the first question. You must either be regular with your studies and study for longer period before the examination. This is your question from common error. If you guys have spotted the error, that's okay. If you guys have not, let me tell you, whenever either comes with or and neither comes with nor, this is a structure. So in part 3 section, in place of and or would come. So the error is in this question is in your part C. Next question is, the new taxation rates announced by the government are bound to affect the export sector. If you guys have not located the error, let me tell you, in place of effect in part C section, affect would come, because whenever their export sector will feel the effect, and whenever there is a feel of effect, affect takes place. Affect, AFFECT. Now moving on to the next question. These days job opportunities are not as better as that used to be in early 70s. If you will look at part A, as better as, so what would actually happen whenever there is a as structure? So the adjective which comes in between as is always is in positive degree. So better, in place of better, good would come, so it would become as good as. Now fill in the blanks. There would be 3 questions from fill in the blank section. Now let's start with fill in the blanks. The flash of the torch blank a cobra which is hidden somewhere, and whenever their torchlight came, so what would actually happen? Would it be exposed? Would it be displayed? Would it be disclosed? Or would it be revealed? Whenever there is a hidden thing, it is always revealed. So the D would come in this blank. Now moving on to the next question. It was his blank that led him to penury. Penury means whenever you don't have money. So his extravagance, when you will look at the options, C would come. Extravagance means when you spend excess of money. So whenever you will expend excess of money, you will end up in penury. Now next question is, he blank himself a stiff drink before making his statement to police officer. You will look at the options: through, poured, filled, sipped. The answer of this question is B, poured. Now moving on to the next question. Sentence improvement. You can expect 3 questions from section sentence improvement. Now let's move on to our first question. On the occasion he persuaded me to accompany him on a shooting expedition he was planning. If you look at the sentence, occasion he persuaded is in past indefinite tense, so the sentence that would come after it would be in past perfect tense. So in place of was planning, had planned would come. Now moving on to the next question. We have no less than 1,000 students in our college. When you will look at the options, when you will look at the question, you can easily see in place of less, few would come, because less comes with the uncountable nouns and few comes with the countable nouns. So students is here a countable noun, so in place of less, few would come. So the answer of this question would be C. Now let's move on to the next question. When she regained consciousness, she was stretched in the ditch out. Ditch is a narrow passage, narrow valley kind of structure. So when she will regain consciousness, she will come out of that ditch. So the C option fitted best. Out stretched in the ditch would come. Now synonyms, there would be two questions from synonym and there would be two questions from antonym. You will have to take care of that. Now convenient, the synonym of convenient is contract. Option C is the answer of this question. Now next question is obnoxious. Obnoxious means disgusting, so the answer for this question is B. Now let's move on to antonyms. Ostracize. Ostracize means when you exclude someone from the society, this is called ostracize. So the opposite of ostracize would be welcome. Now dense, you all know what is dense, so the opposite of dense is sparse. Option C. Now there would be questions from spelling mistakes. You will have to look at the spellings of the words also. You will have to practice the spellings also. Now onomatopoeia is the word and the correct spelling is A. Rest of the spellings are wrong. Now move on to idiom and phrase. You can expect at least 3 questions from idiom and phrase. Now let's move on to our questions. For his alleged involvement in espionage, he is under a cloud these days. Now whenever you are under a cloud means you are at a suspicious condition. So under a cloud, a very frequently occurring idiom, you will have to take special care. It always comes. So the answer of this question is C, under suspicion. Now next question is, we have appealed to him again and again, there is no use flogging a dead horse. Now whenever you will flog a dead horse, the horse is actually dead, so it will not move. It means flogging a dead horse means you are doing something useless. So the answer of this question would be D, wasting time in useless efforts. Now let's move on to our next question. We shouldn't look down upon the rest to the earth. Look down means when you are looking someone with humiliating view, means you are humiliating someone. So the answer of this question would be D, regard with contempt. Now one word substitution. You can expect at least 3 questions from one word substitution. Now a person with long experience of any occupation. The person who has long experience in any occupation is veteran. Now the next question is words written on a tomb, a very frequently asked question. The answer of this question is epitaph, frequently asked. Next question is stealthily done. Whenever you done stealthily, it means you are doing it secretly. So the answer of this question would be C, superstitious. Now we have come to passage. There would be a passage in your examination, and after that passage there would be some questions that you would have to answer based on the passage. I don't know what kind of strategies you guys adopt to solve the passage. Some people say that go through the questions first and then search the question in the passage, and some say that go through the passage first and then answer the question. Let me tell you one thing. The kind of passage that is asked in SSC examination is quite short in length. So reading the passage first is not a bad attempt. Means you can go through the passage first and then answer the question very easily. So now let's move on to a passage. This is our passage. Let me read out for you. The achievements of science is the 20th century has been very great. Its influences can be felt in every sphere and joints. Most of the things we require for our daily use come out of factories, where scientific principles are utilized for practical ends. Science has enabled man to bring forces of nature under control and use them for its own advantages. It has brought the distant parts of the world close together. Our knowledge of the universe has been much widened on account of the uttering efforts of the astronomers like Jeans and Eddington. Remarkable use of human disease have been possible owing to the discovery of some wonderful medicines. This was the passage, quite easy. Now let's go through the question based on this topic. What is the main idea of the passage? If you look at the passage, if you read out the passage, you can easily detect the answer A would come. The impact of science can be felt in every sphere of life. Now the next question is, the mode of approach is. What is the mode of approach of this passage? The mode of approach of this passage is descriptive. Now moving on to the next question. What has enabled man to harness the force of nature to the advantage of mankind? So it is science that has enabled the man. So the answer of this question would be D, science. Now moving on to the next question. Science has proved a great boon for. Is it scientists? Is it artists? Is it explorers? No, it is all mankind. So the answer of this question would be D, mankind. The most appropriate title for the, it is title there, spelling mistake, for the passages is, the answer of this question is C, achievements of the science. Now this is all from this video. We will come with a lot of test series. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click on the like button. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.